semester end?
December.
Oh crap.
We are recording. Okay, orthographic. Orthographic. Now, orthographic projection is a way of drawing that shows you the top, the front, and the right view. The top, the front, and the right view. The front, the top, and the right view. Okay. We're going to draw your X, Y axes. I'll show you what I mean. I need at least 8 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need at least 8 squares here. I have to move mine over a little. Okay. So let me freeze it and I'll show you live. So like if you're graphing in math, an X, Y, but I need this side to be a little bit bigger. So give yourself, I need at least 8 squares on this side. Yes?
Does it also say orthographic or
Orthographic.
Oh, I forgot. What did I forget?
Wait, how much squares going down?
Oh, yeah.
How much squares going down?
Orthographic.
How much squares going down?
Oh, it doesn't really matter.
Down.
But I notice I'm using like about a quarter of my page.
Wait, what?
Using a quarter of my page, like
This
1/4. A little lower. I know you can't see it, but you can see it here.
Okay. Like this? Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All I really care about is that 8 squares, more than 8 squares are here. More than 8 on this side. Yep, draw that.
This is good.
Yeah, perfect. Matt. Can you call me? I have a question that needs to be answered before when 2:30. Okay, now, with your first, we're going to sketch out this Kleenex box. And every side I look at has a different measurement. Like this side is totally different than this side, and it's totally different than this side, right? So we're going to be drawing 3 different side views. Now, in orthographic projection, we always have, this will always be your top view, so let's label it top view. This corner is always your front, and this is always your right view. So top, front, right. Top, front, right view. Okay? When you take a test in about a week or so, some of the points is like, hey, can you label it top, front, and right? Yes or no? You'll get points for just labeling it correctly. Again, will you be an expert today? Probably not. But tomorrow we're going to practice a lot. So slowly you'll get this. Okay, so we're going to start with my top view of my box. It's a rectangle, right? So I'm going to draw this rectangle in my top view. The measurements are 8 by 4. Now, your first drawing that you do on an orthographic projection, there's no limitations. You can just draw 8 by 4. So I'm going to give myself enough room. I'm going to go 8 boxes across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to go 4 boxes down. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Miss, how much boxes across? 8?
8 by 4. So what I'm doing is I'm drawing the Kleenex box, and I'm drawing the top view. This is 8 inches by 4 inches, so 8 by 4. Yes, you have to count.
Oh crap.
Now, what else do you notice here in this top view?
It has an open.
Has an opening. So we have to sketch this opening. Now, what kind of lines do I use for this opening?
Oval.
Yes. Hidden or solid object lines?
Hidden.
Hit it.
So you can't see it?
Or go solid.
You can't see it from one side.
But we're doing the top view. So from the...
What?
Oh, he's staring at his lap.
Hmm?
So take the earbuds off, put the phone away, you lost that privilege. If you can't control yourself, you lose privileges. But we have a lot of privileges in this class, more than other classes. But you have to realize oh, she's teaching. I'm not going to be on my phone, pay attention. Then at the end of the period, we'll have some free time. Yes?
Are we going to get the water fluid back?
Eventually, yeah. But, okay, so you see the cutout, right? So we're going to do that with an object line. There's the cutout of the Kleenex. There's a cutout of the Kleenex.
Does it matter how big it is?
Nah, right now, no.
Oh, I took my
All right, now we have to do the front view. So here's my top view from the top. Like if it was laying on there, this would be the top, right? Now the front view is this, what you see from the front, okay? What kind of shape does it look like? A rectangle, like a skinny little rectangle, right? So we're going to draw the skinny little rectangle here. But this is one thing I have to teach you. We can't just draw a skinny little rectangle here. Do I draw it there? Do I draw it over here? Do I draw it dead center? Where do I draw this skinny little rectangle? Where? There. It's not necessarily the center. What we need to do is we need limitations. They're called limitations. Basically, where you place this, the first drawing doesn't matter. But this drawing affects this drawing. I have to draw it somewhere in here, in this area. This sets my limitations. Again, I'll do it from this side just in case I was blocking what I was doing. This sets my limitations. I have to draw my skinny rectangle in this area only. I cannot, therefore, start my rectangle over here because it's outside of the limitation area. Okay, I'll show you over here. So I'm going to use construction lines to sketch down where my limitations are. So these are my construction arrows that show you like, okay, you have to draw it somewhere in here. Not over here because it's outside the limitations. It's like driving a car. We have to stay in the lane. These are your lanes. You can't deviate from there. Okay, the measurements for this is 8 by 2. 8 by 2. So starting here, where I have my limitation, I know this is going to be 8, right? I don't have to count because it's same size as the top one. I know this is 8 because this is 8. Now I'm going to drop it down 2. 1, 2. 8 by 2. All right, now, the right view, whichever one you draw last, has the most limitations. You're most restricted on the last one. Now, Zachary, first limitation is pretty easy. It's going to be here, right? Just follow this. So it cannot go above this or below this. So here's my first limitation. Now, your top view also affects your right view. How? Here's how. Okay, honors math students. If I have you graph y equals x, what would be an ordered pair of y equals x? Well, what would be my ordered pair? 1, 1. What else?
I'm not honest. 2, 2. 3, 3.
Yay, private school. All right, so we're going to graph that. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, maybe one more 8. Okay? I do, just because I was so tall up here, like I want to make sure I reach this point. You know? Like if yours was lower, maybe you don't have to go as high as I do. If this was lower, then I don't have to.
Yeah, mine was the same as yours.
Okay, so, I mean, do you really need this one? No. Could you always add it in case you need it later on? Of course. Okay, here's the tricky part. It's not hard, but you gotta look at what I'm doing. Because if you look up and then look down and then not look at what I'm doing, you're gonna make this super hard. So look at what I'm doing. It's not hard, but if you're not looking, it will be. Okay, here's your limitations going from the top view. You're going to take the very top. You're going to construction line, all the way till you hit a dot. Once you hit a dot, you turn, go straight down with the construction line, draw an arrow. So again, from the very top, go all the way construction line till you hit a dot, then go all straight down, construction line. That's your limitation. So from the very top over to your dot, you got to put the dots first. 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay. Now here at the bottom, good. Construction. Where I hit the dot. Once I hit the dot, go straight down. Okay. Now you're kind of doing like a multiplication table. Where do these two arrows meet? That's where your space is. So I have to construct my next view in this area right here because if I'm going to pull these arrows a little bit more. It's kind of like a multiplication table. Where do my arrows meet? Where do my arrows meet? My arrows meet right here, over here, and over here. So if I were to continue this construction line, it would meet that arrow right there. If I move this, it would meet right there. Does that make sense?
Kinda.
Yes.
Okay. This side, nice skinny rectangle. Smallest rectangle we have today. This was our biggest rectangle. This was a skinny rectangle. Now we have the smallest rectangle.
Baby rectangle.
Baby rectangle, I like it. This is 4 by 2. 4 by 2. Now, Jaden, if you did all of your limitations correctly, guess the only shape that fits here? But what size?
4 by 2.
Yeah.
4 by 2.
If you did it correctly, that's the only thing that fits. If you did it correctly.
Yes, I'm kind of lost.
I got her 4 by 2.
There.
We good? Leave him alone.
So nice, guys.
Are you not leaving him alone? No, he's not.
No, I was trying to help you guys.
All right. Are you ready? Okay. This is what you call an orthographic projection. You take an object and you draw it 3 different views. The top view, the front view, and the right view. This is called an orthographic projection with a P. Stop. Oh, God. No, I don't know what. No. Ooh, I don't know. It's weird. Turn around. Hands to yourself. He knows. So no.
He's recording, guys. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
God.
Okay.
Mature.
Yeah. If you're gonna ask him something, use your voice, not. Top, front, right. top, front, right.
I think I got it kind of right, miss.
Okay. So always label it top, front, and right. All right. Now we are going to be sketching this shape that I have in my hand that I'll show you on the screen in a second. So these are cubes. You're going to be working with cubes tomorrow in drawing these orthographic drawings with cubes. So we're actually not going to start with the top view. We're going to start with the front view. So is everybody ready? Okay.
So Melly, I haven't seen those size sections since first grade.
Right, yep, but they come back in 8th grade.
Whoa.
All right.
That's super cool.
So this is what I'm going to draw in this front view. Now each square is like, this would be 2, 1, 2 by 4. So we're going to sketch this out. So I'm going to move it up here so we can all see. So as you see here, flat, all you draw it as a 2D, flat. So doesn't matter where I start? No. When the first thing you draw, it doesn't matter where you start drawing. So I'm going to start drawing here, 1, go down 2. So I went 1, go down 2. Then I'm going to go 4 across. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to go up 2.
It's 4
Yes.
across, right?
It's 4 at the bottom.
Yeah.
Then 1. Then drop down 2. Then up. So this is a 1. This is 2. And this is 1.
So it's 2, 2, 4, and then 2 in the middle.
Yeah.
On the top one.
Bro.
All right.
No.
We're good?
Chair on top.
Hey, it's me, O'Malley. I had the email. Hey, what's the probability that you can switch PE with 5th and 6th period? Swap those. Is there a rationale for 6th period PE? Oh, so you would not change that. Got it. Okay. Well, I mean, just, let's just do a massive change. If it's not an issue, I would love to have them 6th period. If it is an issue, then I'll have them 5th period. Just 6, you know what I mean? So they're all there, you know, and service them the same way. I would run the class a little different. Okay? Ask? Okay, cool. Thank you. Bye. Bye. All right. Okay. Front view. Okay. Now, so watch here. This is my front view. So if I hold it like this, my top view, gentlemen. So this is where your visual development comes into play. So if I'm holding this, and you'll hold it tomorrow, my top view would be here on the top, right?
Yes.
Right here on the top. So then, if I flip it over to show you,
It looks like it's just 4 pieces.
it looks like it's just 4 pieces. You lose visual this. It's no longer there. Now it is a 1 by 4. So we're going to do the top view. We're going to draw this, what we see here. What do I see here? I see 1 and then goes 4 across. But we don't just draw it anywhere, Ben. We're going to draw our limitations, construction lines going up, limitation lines going up.
How up?
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
So Jonathan, we draw these and this. Okay. Now we're going to draw this. So we're going to draw a 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. And notice that it fits right in there.
3, 4.
Okay. Now it gets like you have to show some work. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So I don't need that much because my drawing's a lot lower. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1. Okay? Now, this is where if you don't look at what I'm doing, it might be super confusing to you. You go to the top corner, construction line over until it hits. Then you go straight down. Then here at the bottom, construction line till you hit a dot, then go straight down. That sets your limitations there.
This is a very easy lesson.
Now the other one is on this side. You're going to go over, and you're going to go over, construction line, construction line. Just like so. So the only space I have to draw, don't do this, I'm just going to circle to show you, is this space right here. That's the only space I have to draw my last one. If you did it correctly, the shape that you're only allowed to draw is the shape that you need. There's no extra space. If there's extra space, you did something wrong. Okay, so this is my front view. Now my right view, this is going to be my right hand to you. It's not my right, but whatever. So this is my right view. My right hand to you is touching the right side. So that means I'm going to turn it. What do you see as my right view? 2 squares. So that's exactly what I'm going to draw. So, gentlemen, you're going to lose the privilege to sit next to each other. All right. So right here, 2 by 1.
2.
2 going down. Excuse me?
It looks like a rectangle.
Yes, it is. Okay, but from this view, do you see that there's a cutout here?
Yes.
From this view,
No.
do you
Just
see
2.
that there's a cutout?
Looks like 2.
It just looks like 2
2.
solid bricks. But is there a cutout?
Yes.
Yes. So what kind of
Hidden.
lines do I draw to show you that there's something is behind something?
Hidden.
Hidden.
Got
Now,
it.
does anybody know what hidden lines look like?
Dashes.
Dashes.
I'm so smart, man.
4 little dashes.
Dashes. So we had the little dashes right there.
I'll get you.
Okay, knock it off. Knock it off. All right. Can you fit another one in there? Yeah, most of you can. Maybe in this section. All right, let's draw another one.
So much space.
Draw your XY. Okay, pinky promise you won't look. Without looking at your other drawings, can you label the 3 words that go in each? Without looking, you're not gonna. It's just testing yourself without gaining any points or losing any points. Can you put the correct names in each box without looking? Pinky promise you won't look. Do you remember the 3 words that are needed?
Front, right,
Left,
top.
no, wait, right.
But where?
Right here.
Looks like this.
Okay, now take a look. This should be top. Jaden, I don't want to call home, but I will. Front and right. There is nothing labeled up here. It should be blank up
I
here.
put right there.
Right is down here.
It's okay, you'll get it.
Thank
Okay,
you.
my little Pop-Tart.
Adam, I don't need that.
It's okay, Pop-Tarts. Just quiet down.
All right. Front view. Draw it.
3, 4, 5.
This is where you start working faster than I am.
4 by 5.
That's your front. Front.
Wait, you start drawing at the top?
You don't know. You can skip a box. Front. Go. Front view. Draw before I do. So this is where you start kind of working a little ahead of me. So draw this here.
Wait, can you show it again, please? Thank you.
I'm done, Mr. Miller.
I finished it.
Hey, is Mr. Munoz available? I texted him, but he didn't respond. How dare you? Okay. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
You hate my Pop
So
Tarts?
freaking
Which Pop Tart? Better not be it.
All right.
And here.
So there's your front view, Adam. Front view. Okay. So what I'm going to do, this side's my right view. So I'm going to turn it to the right view right here. So I'm going to take this and turn it. Okay, cool. Thank you. Draw that. Oh, but with limitation. With limitation.
Silly.
So this is the right view. So right view will fit exactly here. It's a nice skinny rectangle, right?
Yes.
Now,
How much is that? 5?
no.
Oh.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So this is, Joe, this is my skinny. Now, do you see how there's a cutout here?
Yes.
So you see it from this angle. So there's a cutout starting here. So I'm going to draw and add an object line
Okay.
here. This signifies this cutout, that we have a cutout. So when you guys take your test, these are the little things that I have to grade. Did they add object lines? Did they add hidden lines?
That's kind of
Okay.
hard.
You'll get the hang of it. Hopefully you feel a little bit comfortable going from this one to this one. You're gaining more experience. All right. Now, draw your construction lines here, Alex. And here.
Okay.
Construction lines here and here. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4.
5, 5. How much? 8? How much is that? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It just because when I move my hand in and out.
I like it. What?
Okay. So front view, my top view is going to look like this. This would be my top view. And if you do your limitations correctly, this is the only thing that fits. A 1 by 3. A 1 by 3. If you did your limitations correctly, that is the only thing that fits. 1 by 3. If you did your arrows correctly, the only thing that fits is a 1 by 3.
I am pretty far.
And there's an object line. Where do I draw the object line? Where do I start this cut? This side, yeah.
Miss Emily,
What's up?
are we drawing shapes for Block Blast? What?
so freaking tough.
There was an animation.
Okay, we're going to do 2 more. These next two. Did you finish that one?
Yes.
There it is. Okay. These next 2 I'm going to grade. I am going to be doing less. You're going to be doing more. And I'm going to grade you on how much you can do. So, I believe that we have to go to the next page, right? Okay, so just go back 1, wherever you need. So I'm going to be on page 63. You're going to be drawing 2 more. 2 more for a grade. Okay? 2 more for a grade. Let me build the first one. Hold on. I took a picture of it last period so I wouldn't forget. Here it is.
Did not go back to the page
All right. So let's draw our orthographic.
Miss, is it funny if you go back?
Yeah, no, I want you to go that way. Yeah. Because if you go this way, it goes into the different craft paper. All right.
Or throw.
Now, how do you call it? Do you know now how to label them?
Kind of.
Yes.
Let's see if you can do a better job than last time for some of you.
Top, front, right.
So, top, front, right to start with. So if you labeled those correctly, hey, you got 3 points on the test already.
Yes.
Yeah.
When? Next Friday?
We're looking at next Friday. Tomorrow you're going to practice a lot. We come back Monday, we practice some more. You're going to feel more comfortable. You should feel more comfortable right now. I'm going to still kind of guide you. All right, front view. Front view is this one. This is my front view.
What?
All right, go ahead and draw your front view.
That's hard.
What is that?
Like a snake. The tiger.
It's like a game straight from
Scary. Cheating. One, two, three, four.
Okay.
I finished, miss. Sword. Miss, after we draw, do we continue? Miss, I have a question. After we finish, do we continue?
If you want, I'm going to switch the views to make sure you get it right. Just waiting kind of everyone.
Okay, I'm just wait.
All right. Set your limitation lines. I'm going to do the right view next. Set your limitation lines for your right view. Right view limitations. So this is your front view, so it should be drawn right here. All right. Yeah, your little arrows. Okay, so this is my front view. This is my right hand to you guys, my right hand. So I'm going to rotate it, and this is what I want you to draw. I'll show it on the screen, of course.
Oh, this is
So
tricky.
this is my right view.
Do you draw this on?
You're doing right. Do you have your limitations on your right?
Yes.
So this right here
3.
That's what it's supposed to go?
is your right view.
That's my right view. So 3. 1, 2, 3. Look, 1, 2, 3. 2. I thought you were talking about like the little boxes like that. That's 3. That is 3. The limitation lines are 2.
Okay.
There's only 2 limitations right here.
That's why, like that.
Yeah, I'm saying there's 2.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay, you both agree. Good job.
Gosh, you need some math.
Okay, draw your y equals x. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So this is your right view, right?
1, 1, 2.
No, was it this one? This
That
one was your
one.
right. Okay.
Like that one.
Now, again, this is my front view. Always go back to my front view. Now my top view is over here on the top, right? So I'm going to flip it over to the top view. And there it is. There's my top view.
3, 4. Miss, can you hold me?
You can't optimize your
Miss, I'm gonna keep me. Please assist me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Look, after the lines, what I do right here.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 4.
Oh crap. Silly Alice. I'm such a
This
silly.
is what you're being graded on today. Notice that I'm not doing very much. Kind of guiding you, but a lot.
Gift to shoe rivals.
Yeah, the very top of your finger. What is the very, very top of your finger?
Miss, scale me now. I'm a very consistent person.
I promise you.
Scale me again.
What do you think? What do you think?
You want to trade
C2? Just C2. 3. Going up. How many did you draw? Where's your 2 that you drew?
I'm getting.
What's all the other buttons?
Dude, do your work.
Like this. What do you think?
Now what you call me?
Miss,
Stop.
scale me.
I heard that.
Okay, that's it. 3. Stop. Alex, go sit behind Justin.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's take my backpack. Okay.
All right. Okay, this is your top view. Draw your top view. Did you fix it, Roberto?
Yeah.
Top view. Okay, cool. All right. I asked you to draw 2, so this is just 1. Now we're going to draw the second one. So go ahead and draw me an XY while I build what I built last period. Black, orange, black. Yep, so we got to work fast. Here's Miss O'Malley. Hello. Okay, is Dad there? Okay, cool. Thank you. Bye. All right. Top, front, and right. Oops, sorry. Top, front, and right. Okay. And this is your front view. Joe, take a picture of this because you're going to have to finish it at home. Because you're going to go to the attendance office.
That's the front one?
That's your front view. That's your front view.
Is this how it was? Is this how it was for the
This should be up here. You see how it starts from here? So here. Here. They go from the very top of the view. You're cutting off this square. You don't have it here.
This is too hard.
Do you need another angle or are you good with that angle? Okay, so take your engineering notebook, finish, and then take a picture of that for a grade.
Goodbye, Joe.
Hey, I can pop my little Pop-Tart. It's okay, my little Pop-Tart. You'll be safe with me.
I like
E-Dog is my little Pop-Tart.
this.
Attendance, your dad's there.
Bye, Joe.
Bye, Joe.
Don't worry, you're not my little Pop-Tart.
So let's move.
Bye, Joe.
Yeah, I don't want.
But E-Dog is.
Adam. So you see how it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it fits perfectly without that extra. All right, front view, we're good?
Yes.
No.
Yes, Miss.
Is everybody done with their front view? There's it's only 4 at the bottom. A lot of you on the last one drew 5. It's only 4 at the bottom. All right. Now we're going to do right view. There's my right view. Let me move it up. There's my right view. Yes. So always, the first one has no limitation. This one is from the very top of your shape to the very bottom of your shape. The very, very top of your shape to the very, very bottom of your shape. So my right view is a long, skinny rectangle. Long, skinny rectangle for my right view. But it should line up. It has to line up to this starting point.
Can you help me with this?
It's all four. All four.
My limitation lines? Top right.
So go that way. Perfect.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 4 by 1. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay. Okay, now the last thing we're going to do is our top view. So here's my front. Flip it over. There's my top view.
Should I take a photo of my...
Yep. On Canvas it says page 66 because all of period 5 is page 66. You guys, I have no idea what page you are on, but figure it out.
33.
I did include pictures of my drawings, so you, not my drawings, my build, so you see it. Alright, that's my top view. Make sure you line it up. Do 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. I need a picture of both of these drawings. Yep, but you gotta go here.
Oh yeah.
You got very lucky. Very lucky. Yeah, but then you gotta go here. Are you as lucky as Jude?
Let's see.
So here, over. You got lucky. You got lucky. Because sometimes kids will draw this one like up here, and it's like,
I think it's called 66.
Yeah, it's called 66.
Is it those two?
Take a picture of the 2 that we just did to get on your own.
You could do 66.
See how this one ends here? So technically this one should end here. But then this, exactly. But it needs to be this one's too long, so should erase it.
It's 66.
Show you something.
You got a picture of our page?
Take a picture of these 2 builds when you're done. And then put your engineering notebook away. Not the ones we did together. The ones that like you did on your own. I need a picture of the ones that you did on your own. And finish. I need 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Did I put it away now?
Yeah, do the traffic. Yeah, I'm grading the ones that you kind of did on your own. So take a picture.
Okay.
Not that one. Not that one.
No, Miss Emily, can we get some
No,
production
just
time?
we did that together. These are the ones that I put on your own. Yep. Looking? Oh, that one is. Yeah, it's not very much though.
It's okay. I'm very grateful for your time.
last year.
Uh-huh.
Caffrey barely gave it to me. I know it.
No, it's this year. It's for this year. They just have your bad grade. I'm not bad grade. Your wrong grade level. So Success Club. So 2 minutes early to break to nutrition on tomorrow, Friday. So let your period 2 teacher know. Because period 2 will let you out 2 minutes early. Yeah. So let them at the beginning. Hey, I want to use my pass. Andrew, did you put it in the right spot this time? Thank you. Once I fully trust you, it does require a lot of ab and back.
Mr. Melly, you know